This is our neighbor dog. We don't know his name, but he comes over and sniffs around our wood pile. And he's got a one of those plastic cones around his head. And when he walks around, he like shuffles the snow with his cone, and he gets in his cone.
He's gonna poke himself in the face.
So we've named him Cone Dog, of course. Go on home, Cone Dog. Good boy. Now he's picking up in speed. Oh, looking.
No, can't find it. We'll come back for it later. You're getting a little cold. He navigates that barbed wire really well.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, there he goes. Chill tomorrow, Cone Dog.